life has a way of providing us with mysteries that may never be solved. Questions such as, what is the meaning of life? Why are we here? And how hard would I have to slap a chicken to cook it? This question has been blitzing social media platforms lately and capturing the imaginations of meme creators everywhere. It would seem the question has been floating around the internet for a considerable amount of time, but the earliest post I could find was by Reddit user Golden Heart Billy on the 15th of October 2018 in the subreddit Shitty Ask Science. They asked, if kinetic energy is converted to thermal energy upon impact, how hard do you need to slap a chicken to cook it? Now, in many memes the golden number seems to be 3,725.95 miles per hour, but I cannot find any threads in which that is the resulting number, except for a Facebook post by a physics major called Parker Ormonde, in which he claims the number would definitely be 3,725.95. This meme reflects a similar question which came about a few years ago. From what height would you need to drop a steak for it to be cooked when it hits the ground? But, just like the chicken question, it was revealed one can only cook the food within certain parameters. One would have to assume the kinetic energy from your slap wouldn't blast the chicken into a million pieces, and one would also have to assume the steak wouldn't be launched into a hypersonic tumble and exploded into chunks on its way down to Earth. So why are these memes so popular, and why do we ask these questions? It could be speculated that they simply reflect some of our most outlandish and most curious desires that are often represented in other viral posts, especially on YouTube. What would happen if we launched garlic bread into space? What would happen if we shot 1,000 fireworks into each other? You get the idea. Mankind has always had dumb questions that give spectacular answers, and I'm sure the first person to cook a chicken by slapping it is going to become famous. What meme would you guys like me to give a lesson in next? Let me know in the comments below.